Hi, I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to do a very quick demonstration on how to create really beautiful Hollywood waves using the Silk'n AutoTwist. I'm using my model here. This is Cindy. Cindy has 22-inch blonde hair, so it's human hair, so it's very long, so it just demonstrates how easy it is to create really beautiful curls using the auto twist on long hair as well as short hair. But this technique I'm going to do all the curls in the same direction, so we get that really beautiful S-bend, which will create that really beautiful Hollywood vintage look. So I'm just going to start by sectioning it. I've already done a really deep side parting so that we get that really nice sweeping look across the front. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to section it down the back. So I'm going to do half the head first, and then I should do the other half of the head afterwards. And the reason I'm going to do that is because obviously we're going to go with the curls all in the same direction on one side and then all in the same direction on the other side, and it just makes it easier to do it in the two half head sections. So I've got my Silk'n AutoTwist switched on. I'm actually using it on 210 degrees, which is the hottest temperature. That's because we've got long hair and I want the curls to be quite strong so that as we brush it through, we get that really nice S-bend. So I'm going to have it on the hottest temperature, which will help create a stronger curl. So on this side of the head, I'm going to use the left button, which rotates to the right. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want the hair to go away from her face. Now, as she's got really long hair, I'm going to take quite small sections because we've got a lot of hair to go in the auto twist. Then I'm going to place the hair strand, which is the width of 2 fingers, through the opening here, as you can see, through the opening of the auto twist. And I'm placing it on the side opposite in the direction I want it to go. So then I'm just going to press the left switch and it's going to rotate to the right to give the curl going away from the face. So I'm just going to show you again on this front section here how to use the auto twist to create these curls. So I'm going to take a section of hair. Now, because the hair is really long, this is 22 inches long, so it's very long hair, you're going to take smaller sections. I'm only taking a section about an inch wide. And then because the hair is going to go away from the face, I'm using the left control button, which rotates to the right, which takes the hair in the right direction we want it to go. So first of all, I'm going to place the strand of hair in the opening on the right hand side of the auto twist. I'm going to press the left button, which is then going to rotate to the right. So it's going to draw the hair in, it's going to curl it, and then when it beeps, after the series of beeps finish, you can then release the hair and it's completely curled for you. And then all you do is you just take the hair out of the curl, out of the auto twist, and you have that amazing curl. It's as easy as that. Just got one more section at the front to do here, and then I'm going to do the other side. So I've curled this side here, and as you can see, they're all going in the same direction, so that's going to give us that really nice S-bend. I'm going to crack on with the other side now. What I'm going to do on this side is I'm going to take them in the opposite direction, again away from her face. So I'm going to use the right hand side button, which is going to rotate to the left, and that's the direction we want it to go in, which is going to give it that really nice S-bend feel all over. So I'm placing the hair in the opening of the auto twist on the left side. I'm pressing the right button and it's rotating to the left. Now I've got my last section here, which is quite a big section. What I'm going to demonstrate is, I'm just going to demonstrate what happens if you put too much hair in the auto twist, because it has a safety mechanism which is going to switch off as soon as it feels that there's too much hair. It switches off completely, so it doesn't damage your hair, it doesn't chew your hair up, your hair doesn't get twisted or knotted, so it's completely safe. So I've got a really big chunk of hair here. I'm going to place it in the auto twist, and you'll see what happens once it realises that there's been too much hair placed inside. See, it's switched off, completely switched off. All I have to do then is just release the hair. You can see it's not knotted, it's not twisted, hasn't got chewed up inside. The auto twist has turned itself off. So all I'm going to do is press the power button back on, and then it will take it directly to the temperature that it was on previously, because it has a memory, so it remembers what temperature you've been using it on. So it really is completely safe. So as you can see, I've completely finished now all the way around, and it hasn't taken me very long at all. I've got these really nice, beautiful curls going in the same direction on one side and the same direction on the other side, so that now I'm going to brush it through. It's going to give me that really nice, solid S-bend shape that we're looking for. I'm just going to use a Denman soft brush to comb it through, and I'm just going to start by combing it through gently at the ends, and then working my way up to the roots. Now the idea is to just keep brushing this through until you get that really nice soft bend that you're looking for. See, the more you brush it through, the more the curls are going to soften. So then once you've finished brushing it through and you've got the shape you want, you can just spray it with a little hairspray. I've just finished this off with just a spritz of hairspray, and then I've actually put some diamante clips in this side, just to take that one side away from the face, so you've got that really nice contrast of the one side hanging over the eye, and then this one just taking it away. But as you can see, you've got these really beautiful waves that are all going in the same direction. And that's so easy to achieve on short hair or long hair, and it takes no time at all. And the key to it is just to keep brushing it through at the end until you get the result that you require. This is one of my favourite looks. I love doing these kind of waves. I think it's absolutely beautiful, it's stunning, it's so simple to create. I hope you like it too. If you have any questions, do as you always do and leave them in the comments section, and I'll answer them as soon as I can. If there's anything you need to know, just give me a shout. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.